What happens when the lead agrees to become our client? Congratulations! The lead has agreed to become part of Mkt Nativo. Thanks to your effort, the lead has accepted the offer and is ready to start working with us. The first step is signing the contracts. We handle two types of contracts: a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, and the service agreement. Later, I'll show you exactly how to fill out these contracts. Remember, you can always approach the administrative team or the business director, Rodrigo, for support with this process. Keep in mind that Rodrigo is the one who must approve and sign the contracts. Contracts are signed digitally through an application called SignNow, which we use to sign and send contracts to leads for their signatures. These contracts can be signed by one person or multiple individuals representing the project, depending entirely on the lead. To fill out the contract, the lead must provide the following information: without invoice, full names of the persons signing the contract, project name, full address, start date, this is considered the date of the first payment. With invoice, name of the company's legal representative, project name, company address, start date, this is considered the date of the first payment. Tax details. With this information, we can complete the contracts. Keep in mind that we have some flexibility if the client wants to modify a specific clause in the contract, but this must be discussed with our CBO, Rodrigo. As a fun fact, it's common for leads to send a project definition document, which can be used as an annex to the contract. Now, we wait for the lead to sign the contract and make the payment. Once the client signs the contracts, they must be sent to the administrative team. In the next video, I'll explain what happens after the lead makes their first payment.